Hello, my peeps. Excuse me for that. Hello, how you doing, my peeps? My peeps, how you doing? Let's go under the tree, yeah? Under the tree. So, like, I ate Hungarian tart. And I thought it was strawberry. Meanwhile, it was apricot. Hungarian tart it's like a biscuit tart kind of cake for coffee or tea. Preferably coffee. Everything is better with coffee. Tea is awesome, but coffee is awesomer. Don't you agree with me, guys? Give a like if you think tea is better or coffee is better. Give a like and give a comment. Like for tea, comment for coffee. Yes, that's it. Like for tea and comment for coffee. Also say what you like having with your tea or coffee. Don't be sour. Let us also try these things. So anyway, people, that's it for today. Toodaloo, my peeps.